Today we're cooking red wine carbonara with mushroom and spinach. Add some onion, a little bit of garlic, add some bacon, give it a bit of colour, add your mushroom, and some lots of pepper. Deglaze with a little bit of red wine. A bit of salt. Okay, our pasta. At this point you might want to add a little bit more oil, and that acts as our sauce. Add some spinach. Give it a twist. Add some parmesan, make a little nest, and add the yolk.
Got any suggestions for what I should cook next time? Drop a comment, please. Any questions? This is really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. This is really yummy.